Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 83. Well, we are getting close to 100 episodes. Slowly, we'll get to that mark. Hey Kos, hey Miko, hey Robert, Michael, Katalin, and so on. Welcome back, guys. Well, hey Bukur. Let's start with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin on weekly chart is the best to anticipate how the weekly candle will close. No, I think is the best. Then we can do the overview, watch the road to financial freedom to see maybe we got something new there, review the coins, do the giveaway, and at the end, if we have some requests, why not? Yeah. So let's start with the weekly chart. And I have the same template from a long time ago. You can see 60k support and resistance level. Seems like we'll close the weekly candle above 60k. That will be a good thing on weekly basis. We had indecision, ugly, big volatility, lower volatility here, but still below 60k. And seems like we'll close finally above 60. If something bad will happen, then things could change, but for the moment looks nice. Some people ask me where I see the market rejecting or where we should think about short ideas. Well, if you are playing the range game, in my opinion, I see a big number here, 69. Some people say 72, some people say 68, but I think 69 was an important level repeatedly, over and over again. We rejected and we act like a resistance here. So look here, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think if market will go up at 69, then there we can find I don't know, if an SFU or 3-bar fractal or something to think short again. For the moment, I'm waiting to see the market closing here, see if we'll close above 60, and then maybe if we'll see a bullish close, maybe I could think at 69 next week, who knows. Overall, on weekly basis, we are still in 2024, still buy the dip year, buy the dip, make a plan, don't wait for the market to bounce and then someone to ask you if you bought the dip. Yeah? Buy the dip according to a plan. You have road to financial freedom. If you want more, you have the last chance challenge plan. Okay, you have to be a premium member, but it's a damn good plan. So, and buy according to a plan, and you'll do 10 times better than chasing the market. Who's saying, well, let's buy now Bitcoin or even some altcoins? Well, I don't think it's a good idea. Okay, so that's weekly. Let's see indicators. We had some bullish divergence here, if you remember. Here we had a bullish divergence. And you can see the result on weekly. The result is bullish. Here we had a potential one. It's still potential. We had a small W. If we'll close like this, we'll have a close above 50, which is nice. If next week we'll close above 60, then we'll have a confirmed bullish divergence, which is really nice. But for the moment, let's focus here. Let's see the weekly candle close. We are still in this, let's call it range. Yeah, let's call it 72 to 52. Let's call it a range, 20k range. We are still here, and we can stay for longer here. When I see a range, I'm not expecting breakouts and going to the next level. I'm expecting fake outs and staying in the range until at some point in time the market will say, well, enough, it's enough, and we'll push higher or lower. So on weekly basis, we are above the middle of the range here, above 60k. Not a good level to think long here, not enough for us to think short. Like I said, I'm thinking short here, short at 69. On the rest of the charts, let's see Ethereum, for example, on weekly. Okay, I have a trade here. Let's ignore that. Just 1 second. Well, you can see how Ethereum looks on weekly without anything else. Big M, another M, breaking down, bearish retest here. Even if we go to 3000, it's still a fucking bearish retest. Don't get too excited about Ethereum here. Just look at the chart. I closed all the ink. You don't see, oh, you see only the price action. You think this chart looks bullish here? Needs, even if it will become bullish, we need a W, weekly W. This is just a dead cat bounce here. And yeah, probably will push higher, maybe 2,900. But on weekly basis, look at indicators. Nothing. Just not bullish enough Ethereum. And to have even more reason, you saw last week Vitalik posting bull posts, kind of, and saying that someone told him to post bullish. That's not a good sign, honestly. When someone is saying something like that, I was expecting some developments on Ethereum. I was expecting something more than that, but to bull post, shit post, come on. Anyway, not my business there. My business is to wait for the market to reverse here. If you look left, the big support is lower, yeah? Big support, long reload zone. Let's put the ink back. Well, you can see long reload zone is lower. What I have here, I have a 4-hour chart trade, and I'll show you, because if you have it, you can see AB equals CD on lower time frame, and the target here at 3,100, 3,200. And I don't know if we'll push so high, but I have the bot set up, I framed it, and I'll leave with the results. It's a 3-to-1, so even if I have a 50%, 40% win rate with this setup, I'll still make money. Okay, let's go back on weekly. Let's not deviate. And let's see, for example, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Another thing that could tell us something nice. Well, honestly, looking at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I don't like what I see thinking about altcoins. But we have better tools now on daily to think about when altcoins will pump against Bitcoin. This one, looking left, we need to consolidate here. And when I'll see a weekly W, then I could say, okay, probably we have the bottom. The last weekly bottom was here. Weekly W, sorry. W, breakout, and you can see the result. And look left. Look left. W, breakout, retest, W, breakout, retest, and then become exponentially up. Now we're still pushing lower. Trying to push lower in the long reload zone. So don't get too excited about Ethereum. Okay, indicators, nothing special. I'll look at Bitcoin dominance in a bit, but let's take the total market. Now, on weekly, we are still here. Short reload zone, still similar with Bitcoin. The only exception is we are below the all-time high. Total 2, similar, just the fact that we are below short reload zone. And total 3 was lagging, but now if we'll zoom in here, you will see that it's a bit stronger than the rest. I don't have a reason to think the trend on weekly chart is changed. You can see lower highs and lower lows. But if we'll accept above this level, then we'll have a higher high. And then we can put a higher low, and then we can make a W, and then we can think something. Will take some time. It's weekly basis. So for the moment, nice dead cat bounce, but we are still in that downtrend channel. So don't get too excited about altcoins, especially on higher time frame. Will take some time. Bitcoin dominance. Okay, you can see on higher time frame we are at the support and resistance level here. Look left. Yeah. 57, 60 here in this area. Yeah, but we need an M. And we don't have an M. Not yet. On daily chart, if we put the daily chart, well, we can have not yeah, but at least more hopes. And you can see here, if we'll accept below 56, then we'll have a big M. For the moment, we are going sideways here, and we don't have M's, we have a W here. You can see this is a W. If we'll break down, then we'll have a big M, but for the moment, well, let's put the line chart, you'll see it better. It's a big mess here, but if we'll accept above these levels, will be W's. If we'll accept below this level, will be a lot of M's. So, it's still deciding what wants to do here. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance on daily. DXY, well, DXY, I'll go on weekly. It's still at this range, but it's testing the range low. Support and resistance at 100 level. If we lose that level and go down, well, you can see where long reload zone is. We are still, for the moment, we are still above 100. Thinking range and usually probabilities, I should think bounce here at 100. In a range, a well-established range, we should think bounce from the bottom. What will actually happen this time? I don't know. We'll have to find out. Okay, so that's the overview. Not too many things to say about the entire market. The only nice thing we have here is this candle, which looks strong at the moment. Keep in mind, we have almost 8 hours. In 8 hours, a lot of things could change. We can close indecision, we can close all the way up. So let's wait for the close. Let's not anticipate, not be too sure about how this candle will close. Okay, now let's go on the road to financial freedom, discuss next 10 coins. In meantime, if you have some requests, please type in the chat. Put the ticker, the time frame, and if you want what you're thinking, long, short, or what do you want me to give my 2 cents about. Pretty simple. If you like the content, well, hit that like button. If you don't like the content, hit the dislike button. Pretty simple. Now, let's do the plan and see what we have. We left at 1 inch. We'll start with bat. The plan is the same. Now, plan is the same. We are still here in this environment, and we'll probably stay a couple of more months here. I don't know how much. But I love to say every time that we are still in this level. We have to know where we are. If we know where we are and we know where we want to go, then we can work a lot better. That's the whole point of a plan. Where you are, where you want to go, and how you'll get there. You want another way to put it, like a GPS. For a GPS to help you, to get you where you want to go, you need 2 points. Yeah? You need where you are and where you want to go. If you don't know where you are, the GPS or nobody could help you. Yeah? You have to know where you are at this point in time. And by the way, guys, we will start the Capua 1 program in 1 week, beginning of September. If you want to learn how to trade, we'll gladly take you in. You just need to be serious. I don't accept people. I don't want to learn everything. I'll learn only the setups. Well, it's up to you. You'll not get the results. It's a 4 months program. It's up to you if you want to take it. Someone told me that it's a bit expensive. I don't know if he was joking or not. But at the same time, a couple of minutes earlier, he told me that he lost 20K in the market. Just fucking around, trying to trade. How the fuck it's expensive when you lost 20 times more just fucking around in the market? When you'll not spend 4 months in 1K to learn the proper way. It's just beyond me. I don't get it. You are not here to make money. Yeah, you are telling me that you want to make money, but you actually want emotions. You want to go in casino and play around. It's that simple. So, if you want Capua 1, join Discord. See, we have a special channel for registration. You'll see all the details there. Okay, let's go on the coins, and we'll start with BAT. As usual, I have marked all the coins here. So BAT, let's zoom in. What we have here? Well, we bought 0.5 here, and we are still below that level. Nothing I can do here. Let's just wait for the shot. We don't have the next weekly W. We had a smaller one here that produced a really nice result. Unfortunately, it didn't hit our shot, but now the market is at the same level trying to make a new W. If you don't have exposure, well, you can wait for the next weekly W. To be clear, what I'm expecting at the moment for the position traders. Well, what I'm expecting, let this move finish and then draw a fucking long reload zone and wait here at 61.8, because we can anticipate a W forming here. Yeah, you can see bullish divergence on RSI, OBV, everything is pointing out higher. But that doesn't mean I'll chase any altcoin here. No, I'll just draw a long reload zone. On the strongest ones, I'll draw the pump chaser zone. Huh? So either I'll just put a limit order here, either I'll wait in the pump chaser zone for a W. Don't chase the market. If you look here, you are still in a big downtrend, and if you take this high and this low, you are in a short reload zone. Don't chase and don't buy there, please. Okay? Don't chase the market. You saw Friday everything pumped, and in the weekend you bought a lot of things. Well, it's not that how the market is working. It's not how you should behave like a professional. Okay, let this first move finish, draw the long reload zone and play here. If you have a plan, if you have idea how to trade, well, that will be easy or easier. Okay, on BAT, nothing to do, wait for the shot. I don't see the next weekly W. I have a limit order a lot lower, so nothing I can do, just wait. Next one, it's ENG. And this one, I could tell you something nice. At some point in time, some people said that this one is too bullish, will go to the moon without us. And I'm a not stupid trader, just stupid waiting here and putting limit orders at 15 cents when this one was 60 and so on. And look at it now. Huh? We lost the lows. Well, that's how the market is working. This is smells like a capitulation. We don't have an ugly capitulation, but losing the lows and consolidating below could drive a lot of beginners out from the market. They'll sell the bottom and say, fuck it, I don't want to hear about it. And that's the bottom. Sometimes it's a violent move that will scare everyone. Sometimes it's just an ugly grind to the downside, where is the best to dollar cost average and buy, and beginners will sell here. So, no weekly W here. You can see we are still pushing lower. We got two fills, average and sell half on a double. Pretty simple. Next one. Let's see what we have here. Kava. Another one, same kind of thinking on Kava. Yeah, we have potential. Don't think this consolidation means that this one is dead. No. I know tokenomics, maybe they are not the best, but will still probably pump a lot higher. So let's see what we have here. Well, we bought, we sold half on a double. You can see, bought, showed one, showed two. Well, we reloaded and we lost that level. I don't know how many of you put more money beside the initial amount. If you have more money, well, you can wait for the next weekly W and add, because you have 0.5 here. We sold half on a double, we reloaded, so that means we have 0.5 exposure and we can get another one. But here, no. Let's wait for that weekly W to form. Indicators, not looking bad. But until I'll see that weekly W, I don't know where the bottom will be. And you can see here was a good idea for a bottom at 70 cents. Now we're at 36 cents, and we don't know. Lower highs, lower lows. No, not yet. But a weekly W, a wide one specifically, will convince me that maybe it's enough and will push to the upside. Okay, next one. Let's keep this live stream short and do exactly what we're supposed to do. Next one. And we bought here $4. Short? Not yet. And we are grinding lower. Similar thing. Keep your short here and wait for the next weekly W if you want to buy more. Nothing I can do here. For the moment, this one is just a consolidation. I know some people will say, well, but this one is dead, will never recover. It's not the next big thing. Okay. Don't buy it then. It's up to you. I have my plan, I have my list. I could make a better list, of course. That's why I have the last chance challenge. That's why I have multiple plans. But on this plan, on this list, I have this one, and I bet I'll sell half on a double and maybe even make some nice money. Nothing we can do here. We bought and we are waiting with a short. DYDX. Well, that's a nice one. They had some problems, or they sold, or someone took them over. I don't know. I remember I saw a news or something about this one. I don't know exactly what. But you can see, yeah, they have a working product. That's good. They are pushing higher here. We bought, we shot, we reloaded. Yeah, we reloaded here. And then you can see we even managed to get the lows. Imagine telling people here at $3, at $4, well, you know, I'll wait at $1 because I'm a stupid trader and I see equal lows here, and if I'll get a bit of luck, I'll get that level. Imagine telling people that. Well, it's exactly what we did, and we kept this order. Look at it, $1 fucking. It's a big round number, and it's like a magnet. You can see someone said here, buy, go back up, buy, go back up, and we had to take that liquidity and pushing back up. We still don't have a weekly W here, so could go below $1 and consolidate and make the weekly W below. Yeah, possible. But we have our orders. We have here 1.61. We sold half on a double, and we can do an average here, or we can sell separately. Yeah, so we have a short here. For example, we can put here short 1, and then we can okay, that's good. And here we bought 0.5. Let's say we bought at 1, let's sell at 2. Something like this. And let's say short. Simple. Put your limit orders and you're ready to go. If you still want, you didn't have this plan, you don't have anything on this coin, wait for the next weekly W starting to form here, and you'll probably get the best level possible. Be patient, wait for the weekly W. We are at the end of 2024. This is the best moment to think about accumulating. You didn't lost anything, trust me. You still have time to participate in this bull market, and I'll say it more often in the next couple of months. You still have time to participate in the next bull market if you are playing altcoins. I don't want to hear people, well, it's too late. What is too late? Just look at the altcoins. Everything is at the bottom. In a couple of weeks, months, we'll get in the easy mode, and you'll see what I mean. Easy mode if you bought the bottom. If not, it will be harsh to play around. You want to give me an example? I'll give you an example. Not the best coin here, but we can go to the next one. So here I told you what we can do. Let's see the next one. Nexo. Well, let's see Nexo. Next. Okay. Next, what do we have here? Well, we sold half on a double. You can see we kind of bought the bottom here. And we should buy back at 75 cents. We are waiting for that. Nothing we can do here. So let's take the next coin. And the next coin is Osmo. Well, let's see what we have on Osmo. Look at this. At the launch, oh, $12. Some motherfucker paid $12 and marked the top here. 12.4. And now we are trading at 44 cents and people are asking, well, maybe I should buy it, maybe I should wait lower. Well, up to you. I don't know what to say about that. It's totally up to you. Let's zoom in. Okay. So we bought, we short, we let the market go back down, we reloaded, and we are in a damn good position here. We have short one. Short one is done. And short two with question mark. So we'll know that we need to fill that one. We don't have a bottom here on weekly chart. But if you go on daily, look at this location below 88.6. Yeah. Okay. Almost mark the bottom here. If you go on daily and you look at this pattern here, what the fuck is this? Tell me. Even on 3 days. But let's take daily. Let's not complicate things. Line chart. What is this one? A fucking W below 88.6. The best location. Nice clean W on daily, and I think 4 days or 3 days is the same. Let's see. 3 days. Well, there you go. Another W. On 3 days you still have the W. 4 days. Come on. 4 days. Still you have the W. On weekly, well, it's forming, I think. Well, look at that. Online chart, not the best one, not the textbook one. Is there? Look at that. Okay, let's put the candles back. And let's go back where we are. Okay. We don't have the best weekly W. We can still form this one. Don't chase it here, because if you look left, you can see this one. Let me, oh, 1 second. So this is like a resistance here. I could see on weekly a power of 3, accepting above and then retesting. But if you want to play on daily or you want to buy this one, draw a long reload zone from the lows to the highs, wait at 61.8. Look at these two candles. These two candles, I don't know if on weekly basis, but on daily basis, these candle bodies, 2 weeks, will retest at some point in time. That's 37, 38 cents. Put an order there and maybe you can find a position trade, swing trade. And if you manage to get a acceptable position size because you have a stop loss, because you are thinking setup, well, zoom out and tell me if you have a potential if we'll test this level. We can go a lot higher than $12, but just imagine if you have a acceptable position size here and at some point in time you'll manage to trail all the way up. It's a possibility. Well, we bought, we sold half on a double, we reloaded, we are waiting for the second shot. Here, it's a damn good location and I'm hunting long ideas here, for sure. Hey, Mercurio. Next one. XM. XM we moved it on, if I remember correctly, we moved it on KuCoin because we don't have it on Binance. Motherfuckers from Binance, they delisted it. And you can see we are at the bottom. We bought, we sold half on a double. I need to take care of a little bit. I have to go here and see the charts on XM and everything, and maybe I could make a better chart here to put the levels. It's a bit different from Binance, the levels, but acceptable. Same, we lost the lows and we don't have a weekly W. We should wait for that weekly W to even think about doing something here. Will recover? Probably, yeah. Will this is the capitulation? Probably, yeah. will form a weekly W here, or a inverse head and shoulder, this to be the left shoulder? Probably. The rest is up to you guys. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm here telling you what I'm doing with my own money. Not a financial advisor. I'm just a stupid trader, stupid investor with a good plan. Simple as that. And I don't need to be too smart to make money. I need to respect my plan. How smart I am don't really matter in this market. Don't think high IQ will make you more profitable. A good discipline and a consistency will make you a lot more profitable. Hey Abdullah, nice to see you. Well, Abdullah, it's a good model. He joined us 2 years ago. He was interested about how to day trade. He learned, was damn serious, damn consistent, didn't ask the same fucking question 2 times. He's a kind of an exception. And now he's day trading, making money. He got funded on multiple prop firms. And at some point in time, seeing the fuckery in the prop firms, decided that he's better to trade his own money. You want to be like Abdullah? Well, you have to become like Abdullah, consistent and serious. Well, everyone, almost everyone can do that if you are consistent. Okay, that's XM. Let's go to the next one. Hot. Let's see if it's hot or not. Nah, not quite. Last time we missed the fucking bottom. Just a little bit. That's life. Nothing we can do. Market goes up. We are not chasers. We are not chasing the market, and we decided to play this level here. We bought and we hoped for a fill here. For the moment, no. For the moment, said that it's enough. Maybe it will give us a sell half on a double here. But on this chart, you can see something interesting. Especially Stefan. Stefan, what we have special here? If you are looking at this chart. Something is different in this chart here in the last couple of weeks than most of the altcoins. Well, I'll tell you until Stefan will answer. I'll tell you what we have. We have lower highs, lower lows, and here we have a higher high. We traded above this level. It's the first sign that we can change direction. I will chase here? No. But I could draw a long reload zone here and wait, like I said, here. Yep. So this chart is different because we took this high. Like Stefan was saying earlier, a lot of them didn't took this high, but hot is hotter than the rest and took the high. Where we'll close? I don't know. Could close above. We'll probably close a little bit above. So it's a bit different from the rest. We bought, sell half on a double, put the order in the market. Don't wait to market to get there. But I think we'll get a short here pretty soon, even. Okay. The next one. Well, the last one is SXP. All shitcoin I remember from the last cycle. I made some nice money on this one. Let's see it. And there you go. Well, we bought 0.5 at 33 cents. And the market decided to tell me no shot and goes lower. Takes the lows here. No weekly W. Nothing I can do. If you don't have exposure, wait for a weekly W. I could see a trade here. Yeah, I could see an LJ forming here. But as investor on weekly basis, wait for that weekly W. Nothing I can do here. This was the bottom. SFU the bottom. We took all the liquidity and we didn't close at that level. We closed above. Let me zoom in. Can you see it? We took the liquidity and we closed above. We stayed here and we are pushing higher. At some point we'll go back down, form a W, probably the right side of the W, and then we can think about bullish things. For the moment, still in a downtrend. Sorry. Indicators, Nice. You can see bullish divergence forming even now. Everything looks clean. Location, we broke the lows, so we definitely have a good location to think long. But we don't have a weekly W. So that was the last coin. Guys, I discussed it with some people and they said, well, we are bullish. We changed something, but on daily basis. Let's take any altcoin here. You have a daily W. Huh? You had a 4-hour W here. If you remember, we discussed that. Okay. David asked me where we should play, how we should play this market. Wait for a 4-hour W. And we had that. We bounced. We retested that 4-hour W and we form a daily W. That means I'll fucking chase against this YAM here. Don't chase here. Draw your fibs, draw your long reload zones and patiently wait. 61.8, or if you see it's too strong, play the pump chaser zone or that 38.2 through 50%. Look left, you have support here. So if the market will correct at some point in time, and I think it will, and form the third low here, you can see one low, second, third low here, and you'll see a W here in a pump chaser zone, and you will take a setup. That could be a really nice risk to reward on your side. You can make some nice money. Chasing here is not a good idea. I'll repeat. Chasing an up market is not a fucking good idea. And on daily chart, look at this one. AB equals CD completed means that you are chasing. You are against some resistance. And almost all the altcoins look similar. Don't chase here. Wait for a setup. I know some of you got the hype and they are trying to find an entry here. You'll learn on the hard way. So be patient. If you are in our community, we'll post setups at the right location, the right setups, trying to get some nice wins. If you are not a community member, you are a general member only, well, you'll have to make your own mind where you should buy. Now, if you want to invest, we have the last chance challenge, one of the best plans. If you want to learn, you still have time. You still have time to learn. Join Capua 1 will start next week. I don't know next year what we'll do. If the market is as I suspect will be, well, you'll have to be a lot of people asking me to do the program again. Because 2025 could be the best year for me as a trader to make money. So it will be hard to convince me, well, Paul, stop trading and teach us how to trade. The price is damn low. The program is damn serious. We just need good people to pay attention and put the time and effort to learn how to trade. It's up to you guys. Okay, let's go and do the retweet. But before that, let's go on Twitter and show you the last tweet. I pinned it here. Yeah? And if you retweet, you'll participate in the next week giveaway. I don't know. I think I'll do it this time, and in September I'll stop doing that. A 1 month premium for you retweeting that. But we'll decide next week. This week is still available. So if you retweet, you'll have a chance next week to win a 1 month premium. Okay, so let's see here. You can see I have the last week tweet. 4 retweets, 14 actually. We should pick a winner. You can see one winner here. Let's not beat the drum. Let's just count and let's start. 3, 2, 1, and the winner is Sofian 100E. Well, Sofian, if you see this message or if you see this video, DM me on Twitter to verify your handle, and then we'll discuss about the Discord, and I'll give you the prize on Discord. That being said, let's go back on the charts. What I wanted to talk about more. Well, economic calendar. You can see Monday, some big news. Thursday, something. Core inflation rate, personal income, still some news next week. So it's tradable, but we have some news and we have to pay attention to stop day trading in the news. Okay, so the plan remains the same. We are at the 70 coin. We still have 30 coins. We'll take it one by one, 10 every Sunday, and we'll keep repeating that until we'll finish this plan. 83 episodes. I assume that we'll do more than 100. Okay, so not too many things I could discuss here. You heard about the news on Ton, I hope. Telegram boss Pavel, I don't know exactly the name, got arrested in France, and you can see the result on the chart. I was playing an AB equals CD here and I have a short. I'm still in the trade. You can see the EM here. Stefan said, when I told him, he said, well, I want this level. He got his entry and even better than me. And if they'll continue with the bad news, this one should go and visit $4. If I'll zoom out, I'll explain you what I have here. Well, on daily, you can see $4, 4.6. This is 35. Well, you can see the EMs. You can see here, I have all the reasons to think 4.6 and then to think 4, 3.4 and so on. Yeah. So it's possible. It's just a trade idea with a fucking stop loss. If you're not a trader, don't participate, please. Yeah? I'm thinking AB equals CD here. I'm thinking if we'll touch this level, I'll get the fuck out. I'll try again, maybe, if I'll have another setup. So that's an example what we are doing on the day trading part. Usually in the weekend I don't like to trade. I stay out, do something else, touch some grass, play with my kids. It's better to stay out. We wanted big money to come here in crypto, Wall Street. We want Wall Street. We want liquidity. Well, enjoy now. They are here and they are not playing in the weekend. So that's why in the weekend nothing is happening lately. I remember 2017, 2018, 2019, even 2020. Yeah, a lot of liquidity, a lot of movement in the weekend, specifically in altcoins. Really nice to play around. Dangerous to play if you don't know what you are doing, but liquidity and volatility enough for us to make some money. Now, nothing is happening. You saw the way it goes. Friday, it stops. Saturday, it's dead. Nothing is happening. And Sunday, after our live stream, at the end of the week, maybe something will go up and down. Let's see. Catalin said something. On daily and weekly. Why not? Let's see the messages from higher. I don't see anything special. So if I missed any message, please type again. On daily and weekly. Let's take a look. On the Binance perpetual contract. I guess it's okay. Let's see if we have some ink. Yeah, we have. And you can see here on Ondo. It's all the history I have on Binance, Catalin. So we started trading here, 70 cents. We got all the way up at 1.4, not even a 10x. Not great, not terrible. And after that, I assume that a lot of you bought here. Every Schiller was selling their bags here. Every influencer and telling you to buy, it will go to the moon. Well, now you know. Yams, lower highs, lower lows. It's trying to stay here at 61.8. I don't know if we'll succeed or not. Honestly, let's be honest here. Well, honestly, on weekly basis, this is the area where I'm interested to touch it first time. And you can see this week, touch this level and bounced. No? That's the first level, you can see. That's my level, just above 78.6. The next one, you don't want me to tell where is the next one. Well, the next one is here at 32 cents, 88.6, look left. I don't know if there has more history. It's possible on other exchanges to have more history, and maybe I'm wrong. But what I see here, it's enough to convince me that I should fucking wait in the long reload zone. Guys, I'll tell you what, I learned that from Brian Beamish, from TRI. If you don't know, just search TRI and you'll find them. Yeah? I learned from him. I'm allowed to even think about buying on altcoins below 61.8. I'm not allowed to touch anything on altcoins above 61.8. We are above or we are below 61.8? I'm above 61.8. I don't fucking care. I'll plan to get long below, but I'm not allowed to buy here. And actually the long reload zone on altcoins, yeah, still from Brian Beamish, you can see alt long reload zone. No? Alt long reload zone should not have this one. Should have 78.6 and 88.6. So this is the area where we should buy. Well, let's say this one is bullish. You can see where I'm tempted to enter. And you have probably, you'll have a retest of this tail. That's weekly. You want daily? Well, probably kind of similar. There you go. How you want me to buy something here? I'm not saying you are buying here. You ask me my opinion. With a tail like this. Come on, look at this one. This is huge. This will be retested at least 50% or 60%. And let's put a normal long reload zone. Well, you can see. I think 60 cents could be a good level. Or wait in the long reload zone for a W. So that's my view about this one, Catalin. Okay, indicators, acceptable. Let's see the messages. Arbitrum sell zones for the bull market. Well, I don't have the sell zones, Nico, for anything. I don't have the sell zones and I don't want to put the sell zones. Why I should do that? Why? How I should decide where I should sell this one? Look at it. Well, I'll show you how I'll do it, but I'll not show you. I'll just give you an idea, but I'll not show you. You have to follow the plan. You have to learn more from us to understand. I'll take this fib tool. I'll take this high. Yeah. I'll put this low and I'll put a template what I have. And I'll show you what happens as a target. Okay. Well, you can see this one is telling me this is a level and this is a level. Look what happened at my green level here. Just from this W. Market stopped here. Fighted and lost the fight and back down. But for me to even project something like this, I need the next weekly W. Or maybe even the monthly W. And if I'll have that, I'll have an extension and I could establish some levels where I should sell. For the moment, I'm not thinking about that. What I'm thinking here, you can see 0.5 at 50 cents. We got filled. Sell half on a double, reload and do the process again until the market will push higher and higher and will not go back for reloads. I don't want to think about that level for the moment. When the time will come, like I said, when I'll see on monthly W's like this, then I showed you how I'll probably anticipate where the top is. And we have P-cycle top and we have a lot of tools to give us a level. But for the moment, it's too early for that, for the targets, Nico. Well, now it's time to buy, not to sell. And you should not think about selling when you are below this high here, especially in Arbitrum. You should not even think about selling. If you are an investor, If you are a trader, well, wait for the W like this one. Was a W, took the W, you took a 2 to 1, 3 to 1 risk to reward, you close the trade, fuck it, next bus. Wait for the next setup. But if you are an investor and you are buying here, well, first level will probably be the all-time highs. Sorry, guys. Well, that's about it from my part. I blabbed away, spoke for 50 minutes. My voice is letting me down. So, I think we did everything we supposed to do here. I honestly hope for more requests, but people, they lost interest. Exactly when they should push the pedal to the metal, they are, well, I don't care about crypto. It's not worth it. It's just gambling. It's Las Vegas. It's casino. Well, okay. The same people will come in a couple of months, maybe half a year, 1 year, where I should buy this one. But the prices will be 10 times higher. Well, I want to learn how to trade, but I'll not have time to teach you. Or I'll ask you a price that you'll say, well, forget it. So, be serious. It's still possible to learn. It's still possible to make money. Someone told me, well, I'm waiting for the next bull market. Well, next bull market is coming. It's close. Huh? You can see you are at the bottom here. It's exactly what we are waiting for, the next bull market. You don't have to stay here, wait for the market to top up, and then wait for another 4 years. You still have time. But get your shit together, learn, make a plan, make a good plan, decide that you will respect that plan no matter what, and then just work. It's simple, guys. It's not easy. Nobody said it's easy. If it will be easy, the 90-90 rule will not work in this market, but it's working. And if you don't know it, I'll tell you over and over again. Yeah, I learned that from Anton from a long time ago. Yeah, in this market, retails, yeah, we are retail. They have 90-90 rule. What means is 90% of the people will lose 90% of their money in 90 fucking days. And that's it. You want to be from that category? Well, good luck with that. Good luck with that if you want to go on that road. If you want to take it serious, we have a free plan here. Yeah? You don't like the coins? Well, put new coins. You saw examples how we are framing, how we are looking for levels. Put your coins here, make a copy of this plan, put your coins and start working. You have a model of the plan. If you like this one, if not, do something similar or do something special. It's up to you. It's for free. Put your time and effort and you'll make money. You still have time. If in this live stream we have people who know how to trade, yeah? They are scratch traders, they are break even, they don't have everything they need, but they are close. They know how to trade. They are not losing money in 90 days, for example. If you want to go deeper, you can join Capua 2. Stefan will start pretty soon the Capua 2 program. Capua 2 means 3 months of VIP access. You will trade with us. And in that time, you'll learn week by week new concepts, market structure, new setups, how to behave in a day trading environment, what to do as a day trader. Yeah? So, Capua 1 is from zero to swing trader. Capua 2 is from swing trader to day trader scalper. That's the deal. I think in these 2 programs, we'll cover everything we need to become from zero to a day trader. If we have people who want to join that program and they know how to trade, well, you should DM Stefan or DM me. I want to know if you are able to stay in that program. Because if you are a beginner, it's not for you. It's just not for you. But if you know how to trade and you want to upgrade, that's the best program. You'll see Stefan and me there in that program trying to teach you some things. That being said, retweet for the giveaway for next week. Take care. Don't chase the market here. Please don't chase the market on altcoins. Please don't do it. Yeah? Wait, draw some, at least pump chaser zones. If you are assuming that the market is strong, okay, draw the pump chaser zone and wait in the pump chaser zone to get you in. You can use Holy Grail on lower time frames if you want. We have a lot of tools. Well, guys, that being said, let's call it a live stream. See you tomorrow on the daily crypto plan. Yeah, where we'll do another overview and we'll try to find some ideas as every day. That's it from my part. See you guys next time. Bye bye.